Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to print a file from Google Drive on your PC. Whether it's a PDF, doc, or image, these quick steps will get your document on paper in no time. Let's get started. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign into your account. Locate the file you want to print by browsing folders or using the search bar. Click once to select it, then double-click to open the preview. In the preview window, look for the print icon in the top toolbar. It looks like a small printer. If you don't see it, press Ctrl P, Windows, to open your browser's print dialog. This works in Chrome, Edge, and other desktop browsers. Next, check the print preview on the left. Choose your printer from the drop-down menu, or select Save as PDF if you want a local copy. Use the options to select pages, set the number of copies, and choose orientation, portrait or landscape. If you need duplex printing, look for two-sided or print on both sides in the printer settings. Before you print, adjust scale or margins if the document looks clipped. For docs or sheets, consider opening File Print inside Google Docs for more formatting options like headers, footers, and grid line settings. For images or complex layouts, downloading the file and printing from a native app may preserve quality better. If the file is shared with you and the owner disabled printing or downloading, request access or ask the owner to change permissions. Also, make sure your printer is online, drivers are installed, and pop-ups aren't blocked, since some browsers show the print dialog in a new window. Finally, click Print to start. If you chose Save as PDF, pick a location on your computer and click Save. For regular printers, confirm paper size and tray selection, then collect your printed pages. Using these steps lets you print straight from Drive, save PDFs for later, and avoid formatting surprises. It's fast, reliable, and perfect for reports, invoices, and handouts. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.